I'm a huge fan of Studio Ghibli animations, and one of my favorite movies is Spirited Away. That's why I decided to create two artworks inspired by Haku and Chihiro. They will be part of an art exhibition in Curio Art Gallery on January 4th, 2025. And today I invite you to create with me. Are you ready? Hello, Pastor Gustavo here. So right now Chihiro is in this point of the creation. I already sculpted her hands, her arms and her foot. Now I'm going to sculpt her head. For that I will use cold porcelain and a little bit of flexible cold porcelain as well. And as you can see, we have someone here really cute who wants to sculpt with me. So let's do that. I'm actually sculpting two Chihiros right now, and this is their bodies. It's like semi-poseable. I decided to make two because one is going to Curio Art Gallery for this new exhibition, and the other, maybe I'll stay with her, or maybe I will have her in my own shop. Let's see. But now it's time to use cold porcelain and some sculpting tools, and yeah, hands on. Okay, so this part of the sculpture is ready. Now I will wait 1 hour and then I will keep working on them. So I just finished the first layers of painting with PVA paint and water, and now I'm gonna use dry paints with dry pastels. Hello. So today I'm starting Haku's mask. I already have these two Chihiros in progress. They are like posable art tools that we've been making together until now. So yeah, now I start Haku's mask with wire and masking tape and probably plastic bags as well. Hello, I'm back. So now my Haku mask is finished, at least the sculpting part of this process, and I'm so happy with it. I was waiting some days to dry, and now that it's dried, I'll start painting. And look at it. Wow. I'm really excited with this one. I'm really proud of this sculpture with this mask. I love these details, and I really want to see how it's gonna be when I finish the painting. So hands on. Oh, by the way, what was that? Chihiro is still in progress. You can see their sizes. Now let's paint this magical mask. Now I finished everything. Let's see the final result.
She was a fairy.
Well, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Remember, those two art dolls are one of a kind and they will be available at Curio Art Gallery by January 4th, 2025. This is an art gallery based in Portugal, but you can also find them in their website. You can find it here or in the video description. It was a beautiful process. Now I need to finish the packing to ship them today to Portugal. So that's it, from Brazil to Portugal. Yes. Oh, by the way, before we finish this video, I want to show you something else. I'm also working on this other Chihiro. This one will be available in my website, in my shops, like in my Etsy shop and thatundra.net/US. She is not ready yet, as you can see. I didn't have the time to finish yet, but next year you can also find her there in my own website and this one in Curio Art Gallery. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye! There's a lot of details to finish before I ship my artworks to the gallery.